Hey folks, welcome to the Quick Book Review, your one-stop shop for book summaries. In this video we summarize the book In Search of the Cradle of Civilization. It is a book written by Georg Feuerstein Subhash Kak and David Frawley, which explores the ancient civilization of India and its impact on the world. The authors present a comprehensive study of the cultural and spiritual heritage of India, drawing on a range of disciplines including archaeology, history, philosophy, and spirituality. Throughout the book, the authors focus on the idea that India was the birthplace of civilization, and they examine the evidence for this claim through a series of in-depth case studies. They explore the history of ancient India, from the Indus Valley civilization to the classical era, and they examine the influence of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism on Indian culture and civilization. The authors also delve into the ancient science of yoga, which they see as a unique contribution of India to the world. They examine the history of yoga, from its roots in ancient India to its widespread practice today, and they explore the role of yoga in promoting physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Also, In Search of the Cradle of Civilization is a book written by Georg Feuerstein Subhash Kak and David Frawley that explores the ancient history and civilization of India. The book presents a comprehensive examination of the culture, history, and spirituality of India from a unique perspective. It provides an insightful look into the civilizations and cultures that existed in ancient India and their influence on the world. The authors examine the cultural and spiritual richness of India and its significance in the history of human civilization. They also examine the Indian spiritual traditions, such as yoga and Vedanta, and their impact on human consciousness and spirituality. The book also presents an exploration of the concept of the Aryan invasion, which is a widely debated topic in Indian history. The authors provide evidence and arguments that challenge the traditional view of the Aryan invasion and present alternative theories. The book provides a unique and insightful perspective on the ancient history and culture of India, which will be of interest to students of Indian history, scholars, and anyone interested in learning about the ancient civilizations and cultures of India. In conclusion, In Search of the Cradle of Civilization provides an in-depth examination of the ancient history and civilization of India. The authors provide a fresh perspective on Indian history and culture, and challenge the traditional views of Indian history. The book is an important contribution to the study of Indian history and culture and will be of great interest to students, scholars, and anyone interested in learning about India's rich and diverse history. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have a lot of exciting summaries coming up and we don't want you to miss out. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed the video. We look forward to seeing you in our next summary.